Ever been in the middle of an epic binge session and bam, the dreaded buffer wheel shows up? Ugh, if you're streaming on an Amazon Fire TV device and Wi-Fi just isn't cutting it. Today I'm showing you a simple but game-changing fix. Meet the Amazon Ethernet adapter for Fire TV devices. That's right, it's a tiny device that turns your streaming stick or box into a wired internet machine. No more Wi-Fi drop dramas? Why bother with this? Because Wi-Fi has its shortcomings. Walls, floors, even furniture can block the signal. Other devices hog bandwidth. Streaming in 4K or gaming, that extra lag stings. With Wi-Fi, you might hit dropouts, buffering, or pixelation, especially when it matters. Plug the adapter into your Fire TV's USB port. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router, and boom, you're now on a wired connection. More stable, lower latency, higher bandwidth. Your streaming is safer from chaos. Worried about compatibility? No need. It works with a broad range. The Fire TV Stick Lite, Fire TV Stick 2nd Gen Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Stick 4K Max, Fire TV Cube, and even the 3rd Gen Fire TV pendant design. It supports 10100 Mbps Ethernet, plenty for typical streaming. Even 4K content. Imagine this, you're in your living room. The kids are on devices upstairs. Your partner's on a laptop. Wi-Fi gets stressed, but you're on your Fire TV streaming the latest series in 4K, zero buffering, zero connection lost alerts. Or maybe you're using the Fire TV for a game streaming service, cast screen, whatever. Wired means less lag. Stronger signal, fewer interruptions. Setting it up is super simple. 1. Turn off your Fire TV device. 2. Plug in the adapter to the USB port. 3. Connect your Ethernet cable to the adapter and router modem. 4. Turn the Fire TV back on. It should recognize the wired connection automatically. A quick tip, use a decent quality Ethernet cable, Cat5e or better, and try to keep the path from router to TV as clear as possible for optimal performance. Now yes, this adapter doesn't magically upgrade your internet plan. If you only have 5 Mbps at the router, you'll still be limited. Wired wins over Wi-Fi only when the underlying internet is solid. Also, if your Fire TV device is behind a big heavy cabinet or far from the router, make sure the cable routing is safe and tidy so you're not tripping over things. So why buy this little thing? Because it's affordable, tiny, plug and play, and delivers peace of mind for your streaming time. If you're serious about enjoying movies, shows, or games on your Fire TV without the frustration of Wi-Fi dropouts, this adapter is a smart investment. If your streaming and Wi-Fi keeps messing things up, get yourself the Amazon Ethernet adapter. Plug it in, sit back, and enjoy smooth, reliable streaming. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart streaming tips, and ring the bell so you don't miss future tech hacks. And I'd love to know, have you tried wired versus wireless streaming? Drop a comment below, what difference did you see? Thanks for watching. Stream smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.